Hello, hi to everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Mantro. Today I am here with Nada Vindu Kaladi, composed by great Tamil saint Arunagirinathan. Nada represents the essence of music, while Vindu signifies the divine note that resonates in the universe. This mantra invites listeners to immerse themselves in the spiritual vibration transcending the material world. This mantra emphasizes the importance of surrendering to the divine will. Let's start.
Nada Vindu Kalati Namo Namah Veda Mantra Swarupa Namo Namah Jnana Pandita Sami Namo Namah Vega Kori Nama Sambhu Kumara Namo Namah Bhogavanta Dibala Namo Namah Nagabandhama Yoga Namo Namah Parasura Setadanda Vinota Namo Namah Gita Kinkini Pada Namo Namah Dhira Samprama Veera Namo Namah Giriraja Deva Mangala Jyoti Namo Namah Tuya Ampalalila Namo Namah Deva Kunjari Paga Namo Namah Arultai Idalum Pala Kolala Bujayum Vodalum Guna Asara Nidiyum Iramum Guru Sirpada Sevayum Maravara Ertalam Pugal Kaviriyal Vilai Sora Mandala Nidhe Manogara Rajagampira Nadalunayagar Vayalura Adaram Payillarura Thoramai Sedal Kondavarode Munnalidil Adal Vembari Nidiri Magayi Layilehi Adiyanda Ulavasupadiya Sera Kunguvai Kavur Nannadadil Avinan Kudi Vaalvana Devagal Perumale.
If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification